Just in time. Oh, let it rain. Everybody's healing.
The roof's leaking. The roof's leaking. Right. I'll do the gardens good. The palm trees need it, don't they? That could be a thumbnail, Chell. That could be a thumbnail. Seeing this. This is inside the turret. There's the Winchester there. Red Lions there. There's Mick. Mick, are you coping with the wet weather, mate?
Love it, love it.
Love it. Look.
Mind your back coming through the telly.
Up.
Someone get it wet.
Backs.
Hey!
Oh, the roof's raining. Flooded. Mick, that could be a thumbnail for the video. Stand up.
Yeah, I'm ready, mate.
Looks like he's got a toilet seat on his head, doesn't he? Hang on, that could be. That could be a thumb. Start dancing in the rain, Mick. Come on.
Just singing in the rain. What a glorious Do I look at me? Do I? Do I look at me? Do I look wet? Wet and cold. Blame the government.
Yeah, I'm not for this. I'm going to ring for my holiday. I take it one round.
Yeah, let's go inside.
So we told right in my time of me.
Let's go inside.
Not it.
Yeah. I'm getting rained on. Not raining here though. Oh, hang on. I see some wet patches on the floor here. Roof's leaking then, all making it.
You've got a big hole in the top, haven't you?
Yeah.
So good.
Seen this. We're at the terrace now. We're at the terrace now.
Yeah, look at the cloud, look at the sky, I mean.
You know. I mean, every couple of minutes ago, there was one tiny little puddle.
Yeah, what, 10 minutes ago, we walked the hill.
Oh, well, with Chinese and all, next door to Chinese min 7.
It's like,
All the tables is all saturated.
if I'm being caught in it.
Flooded. And the Bollywood was flooded. There's diners over there enjoying Indian meal. Have to raise an appeal for them to rescue them from the dining table. Huh? Yeah. The mine was at the far end as we face the TV screen. Anyway, the bad weather in Caleta fuste. Some floods out the back. Some floods. Some floods out the back. Thanks for watching. Shell, I wasn't recording, I thought I was recording. Do I the same again? Hello mate, you alright?
Hello, mate.
This is John and Jane. Are you wet? Are you wet?
Yeah.
And the rain came.
I'm alright for now, being there. I'm alright for now, thank you. Anyway, I'll end this weather movie now. Mick, are you wet?
No, I'm good.
That's alright then.
I'm sensible. I put a chair cover on you.
That's fine then. Marvellous. Champion. Right, let's finish the video off now because I thought the camera was rolling a bund. Honestly, can I get the staff, can you? Say bye, Shell. Yeah, there's the new one. Say bye, Shell. I'll do exactly the same I did in the last sequence.